Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I would like to do with this video is talk about SpaceX. I put a video out a few days ago talking about Tesla and Elon Musk, and one of the viewers commented on the fact that SpaceX is also an Elon Musk company that is still private, has not went public. And if it did go public, would it be a good investment to potentially put out some money into? So I thought I'd just kind of talk about SpaceX and whether that would be a good investment moving forward or not. As you guys know, or maybe some of you don't know, SpaceX is also an Elon Musk company founded before Tesla Motors and founded before its new acquisition, Solar City, back in 2002. It's essentially a spacecraft maker, basically a rocket maker as well. And importantly, it's a NASA contractor. It has about $1.5 to $2 billion worth of NASA contracts to resupply the International Space Station. And beyond that, it's also taking revenue, or at least developing a revenue stream from companies to place satellites into low Earth orbit as well. So it's got a couple different revenue streams. And beyond that, it's also got some long-term goals of designing a Mars colonial transporter, as well as developing a commercial space business as well. So I think it's very well poised to be one of the first companies to offer those services with regards to a private sort of perspective. It does have some competition from another company, actually two different companies, both from other billionaires. Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic has some new spacecraft coming out, as well as Jeff Bezos from Amazon. He also has a new company, Blue Origins, that's also designing spacecraft to not only put satellites into low Earth orbit, but also for space tourism and space commercial services as well. So three different companies, but I think out of these three companies, Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, probably has the best shot of being the first company to offer commercial space transport, which, if you think about that, would be an enormous valuation for a company. It would be essentially the first company offering transport to space, and then also maybe the first company offering transport to Mars, if that is a possibility. Again, these are a little bit longer term goals. I don't see this happening within the next 5 to 10 years, but definitely within the next 15, 20 to 30 years, I can definitely see this happening. And getting in early would be essentially like buying into Amazon itself, or maybe even Apple during its fledgling years. So it could be a very, very good investment. But having said all that, what do you guys think about SpaceX going public? I think if it went public, I would put in quite a bit of money, to be quite honest. Not only just because it's kind of cool if you think about it, being the first space company, but I think also a lot of investors would have a lot of momentum in the stock as well, coming from Elon Musk. And another caveat, or another thing I should say, is that if Tesla does prove itself to be a long-term automaker, if it does succeed in being the first automaker to have mass-produced electric cars, I would definitely invest in SpaceX. I think it would have a very, very good future moving forward. But again, having said all that, let me know what you guys think about SpaceX. Would you invest in SpaceX? Or would you wait and maybe invest in Virgin Galactic or Blue Origins from Jeff Bezos? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about SpaceX and a lot of these new companies that may be providing commercial space transport in the near future here. So yeah, just wanted to talk about SpaceX a little bit. Also a little bit about Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin as well. Yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. Give me your thoughts on those companies, if you guys would invest in those or not. Also, if you guys have any good video ideas, let me know. If you guys have any questions on my other videos, let me know as well. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end the video here. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.